Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you missed last week's video, check the link in the description below. I unboxed these products from Curlbox, and today I'm going to be using a few products from this line to wash my hair, and let's see if my hair is going to like them. So these clips were intentionally made for Instagram and not YouTube, but let's get into it. I like to detangle my hair first. On most days I will let my hair be fully saturated with water, and then I will go in with a detangling brush to get rid of the knots and any tangles. My hair gets dry easily, so again I fully saturate my hair with water from roots to end. Then after which I section my hair and applied the H2O Hydration Therapy Deep Cleansing Shampoo. So it is a gentle cleanser and it helps to remove excess oil, dirt or any toxins from the hair and especially the scalp. So the consistency of the shampoo is very silky, and immediately my hair started to feel very soft. After rinsing out, I went ahead and washed my hair a second time just to make sure that my scalp is extra clean and also my hair. And if you remember, that's after, and that is before my hair is completely dry. Now it's time to deep condition. So this is the Hydration Therapy Deep Conditioner, and you can see it is so thick and creamy, and that is what I love about deep conditioners. Well, most of them are. Now you can see it actually melted right into my hair. Immediately started to make my hair very soft. Detangling was so much easy. And look on that brush, is just gliding right through my strands. So I put my hair in 4 big 2-strand twists, placed a plastic cap over it, applied some heat, and now it is time to unravel these twists. It is time to rinse my hair out, and it's always satisfying to watch and hear the water, and it's very relaxing for me. I wish you guys could actually feel how soft my hair is. It is soft, it is silky, it's very hydrated, moisturized, and I am in love with this line. If you have any questions about the main choice, just let me know. I have other lines from this brand itself. You can also check it out on Instagram or just send me a message. I'll definitely help you out. But the H2O Hydration Therapy is perfect for all hair types. So this is just me rinsing my hair out, and then in a few minutes I will show you my scalp. There you go, my scalp is extra clean. You cannot see any product buildup right now. It is so clean and I am amazed. Well, thank you again guys for staying with me on here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share, and I can't wait to show you more.